Hello, everyone. My name is Sophia Pedigo, and today I'm discussing the challenges and opportunities of hydroponic growing systems in the US. I started working on this research last semester under the supervision of Orthodoxia Zervaki and Dr. Dionysiou. The primary issue I was researching was hydroponics as a sustainable alternative to conventional agriculture. As of now, 80% of water in the US is devoted to agriculture, and as many individuals are projected to face water scarcity in the coming years, our focus was to find an alternative method that reduced the amount of water used for agriculture. I began this research by completing literature review to gain an understanding of current conventional agriculture methods, and then extended my review into hydroponics and the challenges and opportunities of this method. To give you a bit of a background in conventional agriculture, it's a method that requires large-scale land, high water quantities, as well as fertilizers. The water and fertilizers, however, cannot be applied with great specificity, meaning that these resources are often wasted. In addition, fertilizers can be washed away by the rain and end up in bodies of water, ultimately leading to pollution, eutrophication, and even harmful algal blooms. In addition, crops cannot be grown in many conditions and need to be grown in warmer areas such as Florida, California, or even outside of the US before being transported to their final destination. And with population increase predicted in the coming years, even more land, water, and fertilizers is required. Hydroponics, on the other hand, is a method in which plants are grown in an indoor facility with their roots suspended in a water or nutrient solution. Since the facility is indoors, it allows for environmental adjustments such as temperature, humidity, and pH, allowing plant growth to be optimized. In addition, many hydroponics facilities use a closed loop system in which nutrients and water are recycled through the facility and treated with reverse osmosis to remove unwanted toxins. This method also significantly reduces the amount of space needed to grow a set amount of crops, making it very favorable. Here you can see I have a picture from a hydroponic facility called Oasis Biotech, in which you can see that the plants are placed on top of each other, optimizing growth space. A study was conducted that compared hydroponics and conventional agriculture, and as you can see, it was found to significantly reduce the amount of water used in hydroponics and also optimize the yield of plants compared to conventional agriculture. Now, some of the challenges of hydroponics is it does have a significant increase in energy consumption. This is mostly associated with the cost of heating and cooling the facility, but also the treatment of water, as that's very energy intensive, and these all contribute to higher costs. Another major cost breakdown is the cost of labor, which is significant to hydroponics, making up 65% of the cost. Other issues are nutrient saturation, which occurs when the water used to treat hydroponics becomes saturated with nutrients and can ultimately harm the growth of plants. Phytotoxicity also occurs when the roots emit toxins in the water, ultimately harming the plant growth as well. As we move forward, these are all areas that have been researched and are continuing to be developed. Forward osmosis is an alternative water treatment method which significantly reduces the amount of energy used to treat water. Activated carbon can also be applied to the water used for hydroponics, and it's been found to significantly reduce the phytotoxicity of water and eliminate issues associated with the plants not growing as much. Biosensors are also being developed for the monitoring of water, so early detection of toxins and phytotoxicity can be noticed. Aquaponics is also a method which combines the production of fish and plants. It's a very sustainable and economic alternative. As you can see from the picture, there are fish tanks, and this water can be used then to water the plants. I hope that presentation was very informative and helpful. Thank you so much for listening. If you have any questions, you can feel free to email me, or if you would like more information, I'd be happy to answer. Here are my references.